Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Philly cheesesteak egg roll.
Yes.
What's the name?
Philly egg roll. Cheesesteak is the same thing.
Yeah, Philly cheesesteak egg roll.
Yes.
This is inspired from when we went to Georgia and we went to that restaurant called
Stoney, what is it called?
Stoney River.
Yes, we had to try it because that joint was busting. And it was an appetizer. Listen, family.
Yeah.
I was gonna order it alone for my you call it food
For your entree.
That was so good. So he said, you know what? We have to try it.
He's been asking me to make this since we got back from Georgia.
But look at this. First day they did good. Damn, that's solid, man.
Solid like a rock.
Okay, solid like a rock.
Solid.
There you go. First day they did good. Here, take
Like
the first
a
bite.
rock.
Take the first bite. I'll hold it right here. Okay, let's see what's in here.
Just to let you know, this is just for decoration.
We're not yam that.
We're not yam that.
First they made some cheese.
A cheese dipping sauce. Oh! That's a hot one.
Hot. I make it see better inside when I. Hot. Oh.
It's hot.
Baby. Focus.
Come. I'm full now.
You want it?
I'm full.
Wow. This is good. I told her I got to have it. Good job.
It is good.
But what's that about from you?
Thank you.
Nice one.
So good.
Family. This is good. It's hot.
I'm gonna tell you something. I figured the trick out. Cheese sauce. The trick is, I don't know if you guys know this. If you do, you should let me know. But I figured it out. When you make an egg roll, to get them crunchy like this and look like this, you have to use 2 egg rolls.
Wow. Good. Wow, family. It's hot. But it's good. How are you doing?
Why are you so loud?
How
you doing? You're frightened. I'm trying to scare them. It worked.
I didn't forget. I know. Thank you for reminding me. Don't forget. The link is in the bio. Down in the description. The www.thegreedycouplespatty is on sale right now, you know? Get it while it's hot, not while it's not. Okay? Feel this. Feel it. Here. Hold it. You, okay, you hold it, not me. Alright, watch. You see how heavy? Solid, my youth. Solid like first lady.
Hot, you know.
Oh. Strong, you know.
Oh.
Take your cheese pull for a wee.
Cheese pull.
That's a good come here.
I could probably only eat 2.
That's all you. It's solid.
Smells it, tell me.
I'm drinking this one today, family. No.
Great value.
This is good. Wow. Anything you make.
It come out good?
Excellent. No cap.
I appreciate that.
I wanted this a long time.
A long time.
Woo! The cheese, man. The cheese, Catherine.
You alright?
Cheese, Catherine. No. Okay, yeah, this, right?
Yeah.
What you? This is gonna look nice. Come. Cheese, Catherine.
Sorry.
You got soft gums. You still on your first one, Tom? Oh no. Family, I told her only take 2. I just didn't even eat one yet.
You take 4. Can I feed man?
No. Wow. This thing right here worked miracles.
Yeah?
Wow, this is good. Wow. Just right.
Just right. The first time I made egg rolls, it wasn't as crunchy. Now I know why.
Crunchy now.
Which one lighter?
Big man.
Big man.
Family,
This right here,
you can never try this.
put you
Go
to
try
sleep.
it. Go try it. Please do. Go try it. I like that crunch, girl. Go try it. I like that cheese spoon. Nice. This is delicious. Family, where was that restaurant? Oh, yeah, Burger Down. My first look like, damn, this shit looks so good. And the way they cut them in half, I'm telling you, it's full. It's filling. Okay. Oh, you want some more with the sauce? Okay, no problem. I got y'all. Okay. There you go. You know what I'm doing with it? There you go. Come on, get it while it's hot. Now while it's not, there you go.
That looks really good.
There you go. Okay.
Which sauce do you prefer it with? This one or the cheese?
Well, they're nice.
I like both of them. I tip equally. I share the love.
Both of them nice.
You're not gonna put fries with this?
I saw we need else.
Maybe nothing else.
Nothing else, yeah. It's hot, I told you. So, it's amazing.
The one at Stoney River, it's really good. This is really good.
It's really good for real. For your first time, you did good. I ain't gonna lie, you did good for your first time. I was craving it. So how was your day, man? What's going on with y'all? What's new? I hope y'all enjoyed the story I did. You know? You know what I'm saying? But that's how it is sometimes. You know? What y'all been up to? What's new? How was the first day of school?
For some parents.
For some parents, yeah. Talk to us.
Yeah. If you guys put in the comment sections, in the comment section, questions that you would like to ask us.
Yes. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Comment down. What kind of questions you would like to ask us?
What would you like to know about us?
Yeah, you know everything already. They know.
Good.
Yeah. Wow. I need to try this.
It's a lot though.
It is a lot. First lady made me do one by myself. I said, hell no, I can't do it. I'd rather put the meat in. What? Yeah, fresh.
How many we made?
15.
You think I gave Tamia? I told Tamia I'm gonna give her 2, and she's like, no, I want more. So I gave her 3. I'm gonna see if she can eat 3 because I can't manage 3.
You can manage 1.
Oh.
15 she made, family.
15? Wow. You ate 4? I ate 2. 9. Good thing is, if it's left, put in container, and they can warm it up for lunch. Wow. That's my favorite part.
It's peaceful. Must try, fam. Must try. Nice. Cheese sauce there too. Wow, this is good.
I saw in the comment section. If I remember, it was like those contractors. Something is wrong with them. Yeah. They are.
Very much. But it's alright. Remember what we told y'all. A contractor said they're gonna pull up with 4 people and they don't. Run.
For the hills.
Yeah, run. Don't look back. It's gonna be a 2-month thing. A 2-month problem. 2 months assignment.
Yep.
They only say that to get the job.
Yeah.
Okay? But you know what's about it.
I know sometimes some people, they don't care. Like, they're like, just do the job and that's it. But when they come and you're paying them your money, ask them questions. Let them explain to you what they're doing.
Yeah.
You know?
And say they know their work.
Yeah.
Just teasing them for a little bit, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And then research it before they come out. So if they're telling you, oh, you have 200 square feet, and you know you only have 150, you can say, well, I measured it and 2 other contractors came and measured it.
Yeah.
And they said I have 150 square feet, you're giving me an extra 50.
Yeah.
You know, then they'll probably whatever, but it's always good to let them know that you know something.
You know. And first lady know a lot.
I try.
Listen, them guys was coming to first lady, like first lady's one that doing the project to fuck.
I know.
It was a, you know what I'm saying?
We felt like prisoners in our own house. We couldn't go anywhere, we couldn't do anything because we didn't have the confidence to even sit outside. We had to like sit there and literally watch them. That's very annoying.
But the work is done though.
Work is done. I'm full.
You full already?
Damn, man, I want to eat another one, but I can't.
If you're full, don't have no more. Because you're full.
I just want to hit a crunch.
No. You're full?
I'm full.
Don't bite no more.
If I bite another piece of... You ever been so full that if you take one more bite of something, you feel like you're gonna... I'm not gonna do it, but I'm just saying. I'm full.
These is big too.
They're big. They're meaty. They're cheesy. They're juicy.
This how the half was when they came and brought it to the table. They cut them in half like that. That's how they was. Like this. And it was full of meat.
Full of meat. And this was full of meat, full of cheese. Man. And you would think the meat is dry. It's not. It's still juicy.
Juicy. They know it. They could see that.
Yeah. It's juicy.
Made to perfection. You know? I had to put my touch in it.
It's gonna be a short video, guys.
It's alright.
I didn't realize these things are hefty. How can somebody sit there and eat? Nothing.
Enough money.
Enough money. You know what? Take one more bite.
Don't bite it, Kai. Don't bite it. I eat that.
No.
I eat them later.
It looks really good.
But family, for real.
I like how I did.
Try this.
Wow, look how pretty it looks.
She did good.
Work of art. Wow. No spillage, no nothing. Beautiful. Perfection.
Well done. You say you're full first lady? Family, this is a short video today, but you know how it is sometimes. No?
Yeah, man.
It's happening like that sometimes, but at least we came and chat with y'all, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Ooh. The cheese that's in here is Monterey Jack. I love Monterey Jack.
Little ass. I don't even ask.
Yeah. And this is just sweet chili. It's this brand right here. Sweet chili. Ooh, sorry. So this is a brand of sauce that we're eating with our thing.
I enjoy.
I'm glad you
always
tore it up.
This was good.
Thank you.
When our first lady said she full, that's it. No, first lady not gonna eat no more. When I went at that, you can't trick my first lady because I eat more food, my youth. Alright, family.
Shriek.
Hear what's going on.
Beep beep.
All right. First, listen. All right. The price of greatness is responsibility. Do y'all think so? Or I may be right, I may be wrong. What y'all think? Hashtag if you relate, if you want to say something, you have to say something. Again, family. The price of greatness is responsibility. What do you think, Presley? Is true?
I agree.
Okay. If y'all could agree, agree. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us, you know. Appreciate everybody as always that's supporting, you know what I'm saying, our business,
Yes,
you know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all. You know what I mean? We know, we see y'all out there, you know?
Yep.
Know what I mean?
And give us some feedback. Hit us up, DM us, email us. You know what I mean? We're still trying to get our packaging going good. You know, everything is a work in progress.
Yes.
But we appreciate the love. We appreciate the fact that we have family members who are reordering and who are, you know, just spreading the love. We appreciate it. And share. Tell everyone that we sell patties. We'll ship it to them too.
We ship it to them. For real. But, real talk. I am Richie. Trick y'all. This is First Lady, aka Shanice, and we are, you know what the First Lady gonna tell you. So we appreciate y'all and we appreciate y'all rocking with us, okay? They are First Lady.
Yeah, we are the greedy couple and you guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.